So this video is gonna be me after having taken a very spontaneous decision just moments ago to do a hike tomorrow morning. I was driving past this mountain and I also looked at the weather forecast and saw that it's gonna be pretty good weather here in the morning. So I'm gonna do a sunrise hike, wake up at 5 in the morning and hike up the mountain that I'm sitting close to. I actually have some photos from today. I might put them on the screen here. You can see my car is down there in the delta kind of, and you can just see how the sky is split in half with a huge rain cloud in one end and more or less blue skies in the other. There's supposed to be sun and not a lot of wind or anything that should bother me. Morning. So I just turned the corner around and here you have the goal for the day. Mælifell. It's a very mild hike, but it's also very early in the morning, so it feels less mild than it should. It's right now 5:20 in the morning. And I'm just gonna go to the little parking area and find a place for the car. I will I will make some coffee. I feel like I look very tired, which is because I am. Here you can see the drone shots that I'm right now taking. This is it's pretty cool. You can see my car down there to the left, and the light from the soon-to-be sunrise kind of starting to light up the mountain. But okay, I'm gonna pack up my bag. All packed up. I'm really not well dressed for this and I have way too much stuff, but the sun is coming up and I can't take any more decisions about what to bring. So I'm just bringing a bit too much. We're off. I made it up. I was kind of late, so it was a challenge to get up here before the sun had gone up too much. I'm gonna show you around a bit. So I had been up there for just a moment, and then sandstorm. So right now when I'm standing, it's okay. It's okay, but I was just a moment ago inside the sand. So I'm just taking care of my gear, making sure that nothing is getting too much sand in it. But the view is great. And the hike was, I mean, normally it's nothing, or like it's not a big challenge, but because I was a bit stressed, I also took the wrong path. So I ended up having to go down a bit and then up, which was of course a little bit annoying. But I sent the drone at that point, so I managed to capture some footage before it was kind of too late. I'm gonna take some photos and then do a little show and tell, point out some of the landmarks around here. And the hike went well. I'm up here, I'm having my morning coffee. Been up here for almost 2 hours, or maybe one and a half. Got a bit stressed out because I was almost going to miss the sunrise. I underestimated the hike up here. I mean, it's not harsh, but it was just, I thought I could just run up. So I've just been taking photos and videos and just enjoying it. Finally had some time to drink my coffee or make my coffee. And I will, I'm gonna sit here for a while. It's almost no wind. Yeah, it's almost no wind. Of course, some clouds far away, but completely blue skies around me. So absolutely gorgeous. And this is what I always want. I mean, as long as you go out here in the nature often enough, you get a lot of these moments where you just end up on a mountaintop and there's just, I don't know, nothing and everything at the same time. It was below 0 when I woke up, but with double sleeping bags and in my top tent, it's no problem. And just to explain how far away this is or something like that. I mean, it's not far up the Highlands, it's kind of where the Highlands starts to some degree. I have shown this mountain, I think, in some other video. Gonna link it up here or whatever, you know, YouTube. And this is, I mean, it's definitely one of the most famous landmarks. There's a lot of, especially drone shots of it, and as usual, not too many hike up, but it's definitely worth the hike because the views are great. You see, you know, several different glaciers from up here, the deltas and the dunes and the mountains and everything. It's crazy. But I mean, there's no one here. There's just no one here. There was 2 cars that were camping out because they didn't want to do the river crossing. On my way down, everything is packed up. Now I'm going down this path. Or I guess I'm actually walking towards this edge here. And I really need to start learning more about the names of the mountains and everything around here, but you have a few landmarks here. This big glacier here is Mýrdalsjökull, I think. Then you have, I don't know if it's visible on this cam, but over here you have, yeah, behind these you have the Tindfjöll and Tindfjallajökull, I think it's called. And this whole area here is called Mælifellsandur, and I'm on Mælifell. Over there you have Strútur, another peak I will definitely try to hike. Again, I've done it once this summer, but I did not record it. So I might try and get back there before it's too late in the season. And yeah, I think that's everything I can tell you right now. I'm also getting a little bit tired, so before I'm getting too cold or tired, I'm gonna start slowly walking down. I guess I have to show you guys this as well. I almost forgot. It's a pretty cool opening here in the mountain where you can just see out in both sides. So this is the end of this video. I really plan to do a lot more of these hiking, like day hike videos during the next few weeks and months, and I hope you want to stay with me for that. Thank you for watching.